How will OpenResty X-Rays agent affect a target Perl application's performance? Let's find out in this video. First, let's run the top command to check the process list. Right now, the agent of OpenResty X-Ray is not running any analysis. So its performance impact on the target process are strictly zero. Thanks to dynamic tracing technologies. It never modifies the target processes in any way. Look at this process named Perl. Its CPU utilization fluctuates around 49%. The last minute load average of the whole system is 0.87. The current CPU idle percentage is about 87%. The current available memory is about 2,730 megabytes. Next, let's instruct OpenResty X-Ray to actively analyze that Perl process. Then we can see its performance impact on the target process and target system. Open the OpenResty X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. The production mode is for analyzing online production environments. It tries hard to minimize the performance impact on the target applications and servers. It may take longer to analyze though. Go to the guided analysis page. Let's select high CPU usage. Click on Next. Select the Perl application. Select the target process that we saw previously in top. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. It will keep sampling for 300 seconds, or 5 minutes. Let's return to the previous terminal window. We can see the CPU utilization is around 50%. It's merely 1% higher than what we've seen before. So there is no measurable impact on the target process's CPU usage. And the last minute load average of the whole process is 1.04, a little higher than the previous value, 0.87. The CPU idle percentage is about 85%, there is no significant change from the previous value, 87%. The current available memory is about 2,725 megabytes, a decrease of 5 megabytes from before. It's still within the normal fluctuation range. We measured the maximum throughput of server processes in different cases. Here is what we found. Without installing the OpenResty X-Ray agent, the maximum throughput is about 1,024 requests per second. When the OpenResty X-Ray agent is installed but not running the analyzers, the request rate remains the same value. When analyzers are sampling, the request rate is about 1,021 requests per second, merely 0.3% lower than when not doing analysis. It can be seen that running the analyzers for performance analysis has minimal impact on the maximum throughput of the target process. Now, let's check out the benchmark showing the impact on request latency during the sampling process. This is what we found in comparison. Without installing the agent, the average request latency is about 1,250 microseconds. When the agent is installed but the analyzers are not running, the average latency remains unchanged. When the analyzers are sampling, the latency is about 1,270 microseconds. An increase of 20 microseconds. So, running the analyzers for performance analysis has a minimal impact on the latency as well. Let's go back to the web console. The overhead of automatic analysis in the Insights and Dashboard page is similarly small and tiny. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.